swing traders. We got a fresh new month ahead of us. We got quite a few movers this morning. Quite a few moving this morning. Apple up 5% off of yesterday's earnings. AMD 4%, almost 5%. CBS up about almost 6%. Lots of volume too. Yeah. So we got quite a few here to work with. Quite a few. Let's take a look at the market. The SPY, look at this thing. Still climbing. Nice and steady. You know, nice and steady. Now it's eyeballing 300. I'm thinking it'll be there soon. I mean, we might have a pullback before it gets there, but I don't see it having too much of an issue getting to 300 plus. But we'll see. You never know. Bad news hits and boom, the market drops. So let's get to it. We're going to take Apple here for a long at the bid. All right, we're in. I'm going to have a short leash on it though. Stop loss will be below 209.50 and target will be over 211.50. All right, Apple, it's at our stop area here. If it don't bounce soon, we're going to come out of it. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. We're out. We're out for a loss of about 90 cents. It just looked really good there, but I'm not going to give it more than a point because it's up quite a bit and it is downtrending. So pre-market it was downtrending. I figured get a nice little bounce here, but it didn't happen. So maybe we'll catch it in a little bit. Let it drop a little bit more. Apple, we're going to take this right here. I know it's up, but I think it's going to break out right now. Here it goes. We're going to take it over 211.50. Stop loss will be below 210. I like it here. It formed a base up top here. A lot of people went short, and now they're putting their stop losses over the highs here. So I'm thinking it's going to blast over 211 if we can get enough volume. Here it comes. All right, we're going to take this right here. All right, we're out. We're out for... Oh! I got out right before it broke out. Second. 1 second. 1 second. Look at that. And now it's going to blast off. I only got half of the move. Still got 55 cents on it, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted more. Look at that thing go now. That's all right, though. At least we got some of that back from the first trade. Pins. We're going to take this right here for a short. PINS. All right, we're in. We're in at 30.71. Daily doesn't look great for a short, but look at the size of this red candle here. I don't think it's done. It IPO'd and it went straight to the top here 2 days ago, and then yesterday it gave up a lot of that candle there. And I think today we'll probably continue down. Market is trending down. All right, here we go. It's going to break below the lows here. Target on this one, I like it around 30, and stop loss will be over 31. All right, here it comes. All right, we got some momentum here. PINS, all right, it's getting close to our stop area here. I'm thinking about coming out of this. But the market's telling me to stay in it, so we're going to stay in it. PINS, if it don't drop soon, we're coming out of it. All right, looks like it's dropping here. You know what, I don't like it. I'm going to come out of this right here. We can get hit right there. All right, we're out. We're out of 100. We're going to push that up. I don't want to stay with 50 on this. All right, we're out. We're out with a 15-cent loser. I should have dropped already. It didn't. The daily is strong. We had one red day, so I was hoping it would continue there, but it didn't. So we're out. Another loser. Not a good morning so far, but you know, it's all right. Maybe we'll find something soon. Would have been a good morning. We should have just stayed in Apple. TNDM. We're going to take this for a short right here if we can get in it. All right, we're in. Intraday was up, but it flushed. Flushed from the top all the way down to the bottom here. And I think it's going to continue. I really do. Daily isn't great for a short, you know, because it had been uptrending, but it's up really nice this morning. It just collapsed, so I think it's got more downside. Stop will be over 62.50, and this is a good size mover. And target will be below 60.50. I'm thinking. TNDM, all right. sitting here, forming a base. Market is starting to wake up though. I don't like that. TNDM, it's coming up on our stop area. All right, we're squeezing here. We're squeezing hard. I don't like this. Real hard. We'll wait and see what happens here. It's going to settle down here and start to drop again. Should get out of this, but the market's telling me to stay in it, so I'm going to stay in it. All right, TNDM, we're going to come out of this right here if we can get it hit with a big loss. All right, we're out. We're out with a 95-cent loser. I gave it enough chances. You know, might drop, might not, but I gave it enough chances there. Been having a rough morning today. TWLO, we're going to try to short this right here at the ask if we can get hit. Looks good here for some more continuation to the downside. If we can get hit, it's a good size mover. So, all right, we're in. We're in at 132.20. Intraday, it was up, it opened up, and it just flushed all the way to the low here. Then we had this little squeeze here, and now it's turning back around. I think it's going to go below the lows. It'll give me a chance on this trade here to get back what we lost there, at least half of it, if I can get back half of it. So stop loss on this thing will be over 133. And target, I'm going to try to push this down to 131, maybe even below it. It's got volume, it's got momentum, and it's downtrending. All right, here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's a risky trade, but it is downtrending. Market just put in a bottoming tail here. I don't like that, but we'll see if we can ride this one down to 131. TWLO, we got about 30 cents in it. I want more. It's not good enough. We're gonna get at least down to 131, but the market's starting to wake up here. I don't like that, but it's well below yesterday's close. That's a big red candle that took out all these candles here. So I'm thinking it's got way more downside. TWLO, all right, we're at our stop area. Still climbing here. Could just be a squeeze and it'll come right back down. Don't want to panic cover here. That is quite a big squeeze here. TWLO, all right, we just went through this huge squeeze here. I'm still holding it. Stop, we're at our stop area. We want to see if it fluctuates there, and it should drop. If it don't drop, we'll just come out of it. Just don't want to see it over 133.75 area. Then we're in trouble. TWLO, all right, it's coming back to us. That was a huge squeeze. See, if you would have had a stop, it would have taken you out, and then it would come back to your direction. But if it kept going, then I'd be in trouble. Necessary evil. But nah, if it goes over 133.25, I'm out of this, regardless. All right, here it comes. This thing should drop hard now, because it went through that big squeeze. You got a lot of people that started buying it, and then they put their stop right below the lows here. So if it goes here, you should see a huge drop. TWLO, looks like we're moving a little bit here. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. See if we can get it below 131. I think we can get a little bit more. All right, here we go. We're going to take this right here. If we can get, all right, nice. Nice. We took a little over a point. We took a point and 15 cents, I think it is. 18 cents. I needed that. I needed that. But it's probably going to continue. TNDM, look at this thing. We got out of this at 62.54 right here. It looked like it was going to climb there, you know. And nope. It turned around right there and boom, dropped like a rock. Apple, we're going to take this here at the bid. All right, we're in. Long, 212.69. We took it earlier. Took a loss on it because we took it way too early right out the first candle and it started to drop. So target on this one will be around 213.50. I think once it gets over the top here, it should be a nice blast over to there, at least over 213, 25.50 area. Stop loss will be below 212.25. But it's slowly climbing here. It's looking good for some continuation. The market's not helping though. All right, Apple. It's trying to just tap 213. Tap, tap, tap. Let's get it over. Apple. Let's try to entry now. We had about 30 cents on it. Didn't take it. Now we're losing 10 cents. Our stop is around 212.25 area. Below there, we'll get out of it. All right, Apple. It's looking pretty good here. Looks like it's going to go over 213. All right, there we go. There we go. Let's see if we can keep this thing going. You know what? We're going to take this right here. All right, we're out. We're out. I was going to wait, but look at the market. The market's not doing anything. The market's just sitting there. The market's not helping really at all. So I'm thinking this is an opportunity for me to get out with at least something. 35 cents brought me back to green. Brought the day back to green. Apple, look at that. We got out and it kept going. Still kept going. It was a rough trading session today. I had 3 losers and 2 of them were pretty good size, almost a full point on each. So I had to get all that back. But we did. We got it all back. So that's going to be it for me today. We're up 9. Let's take a look at the trades. 3 losers and 3 winners. Our biggest winner on TWLO and our biggest loser on TNDM. Thanks for watching.